Good morning, children. So, we will do our English in our workbook, right, children? So, you have to open the page number 15. Till page number 14, you have already completed. So, we will continue from page number 15, right, children? It's a fun time. So, the first question, how many words you can make using the letter from the word hippopotamus? This is the hippopotamus. From there you have to make words. So I have written for you. First word is already done. Now second is hip, H-I-P, hip. Third, P-O-T, pot. Fourth, hop, H-O-P, hop. Fifth, T-O-P, top. Sixth, P-I-T, pit. Now from the word sunflower also you have to make. I have done for you sun, S-U-N, sun, L-O-W, low, lower, L-O-W-E-R, lower, fun, F-U-N, fun. Right, children? Now we will continue the next second question. Circle the name of the thing that you take with you to the school. In school, what the things you are using, you are bringing from your home that you have to tell. In the three picture, books you are carrying in your bag. Sharpener is also you are carrying in your pencil box. Now continue with this question only in the next page. Lunch box, pencil, then eraser, water bottle, ruler, compass box, school bag. These all things you are taking from your home in your school bag and come to the school every day. Okay, children, so you have to make circle on this. Now continue in our third question in next page. Describe the picture using the sentence given in the box. See, children, 6 pictures are given. So in first picture, one boy is climbing tree. Answer is already given in the pink box. So from there you have to see and you have to do. Right, children? So first one is climbing tree. Second one, combing hair. Third one, brushing teeth. Fourth one, washing face. Fifth, watching TV. And sixth one, clapping hands. Okay, children, now we will continue in page number 19. This is your page number 19. So the chapter name is I am lucky. Right, children? The very first question is MCQ. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. The first one is the butterfly is thankful for its dash. The answer will be wings. Second one, the dash is thankful because it can see sing. So who can? Manna. Third one, the fish can dash. Ring. W-R-I-G-G-L-E. Ring. Fourth one, the elephant can raise its dash. Answer is trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Fifth one, the dash would hop up to the moon. Answer is kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Sixth one, the octopus has 8 dash. Answer is arm. A-R-M-S, arm. Now this is the filling the blanks. The option is already given. You have to write from there. First one, an elephant can raise its trunk. Second one, a butterfly can fly. Third one, a kangaroo can hop. Fourth one, a fish can blink. Fifth one, a manna can sing. Children, you have to write all this in your English workbook in very nice handwriting, and you also have to learn it. Now we will continue in our next page. This is also filling the blanks, see children. But what these animals are doing, we have to see and we have to write. See, the dog is trot, T-R-O-T, trot. Means they are jumping, they are running, they are walking. They are doing all these three things together. Monkey is swim. So they are swimming on the branch. Horse is also doing trot, T-R-O-T, trot. Then butterfly, flutter, F-L-U-T-T-E-R, flutter. Birds fly, dogs run, duck woodland, W-A-D-D-L-E, kangaroo hop. Now we will continue in our next page. Fish swim. Fish can swim. Now you have to see this picture. Name the part of the body. This is cow and this is the name of the part of the body of the cow. Horn, head, tail, ear, eye, mouth, leg. Like this only we have to do for the elephant and parrot. We will see in the next page, page number 22. See children, this is the page number 22 and we have to continue the same thing. Head, ears, eye, then trunk, leg, tail of elephant. And see, the teeth of an elephant are called tusk, T-U-S-K, tusk. Okay children, teeth of animal is called as tusk, T-U-S-K, tusk. Then parrot, beak, eye, leg, wings. Okay children, now we'll continue in our next page. Add F-U-L, full, to the word given in the bracket and fill in the blank. Okay children, first one, look at those dash flower. Answer is colorful. Second, the baby is very dash. Answer is playful. Third one, I am dash to be in a good school. Answer is thankful. Fourth one, Haldi had a dash adventure. Answer is wonderful. Fifth one, Meena is dash to us. Answer is helpful. Sixth one, this is dash place. Answer is peaceful. Seventh, those sweets are dash to children. Answer is harmful. So children, now onwards you should not eat sweets, okay? You must be dash when you cross the road. Careful. Answer will be careful. Ninth one, Ashoka was dash king. Answer is powerful. 10th one, the joyful children went on a picnic. So answer is joyful. The new boy stood with dash tears eyes. So answer is tearful. It was a dash visit to the zoo. Answer is delightful. Now next, the last question of the chapter is write 5 things that you can do and 5 things you cannot do. One example is also given here. I can read book, I cannot cook. Yes, you children can read the book but you cannot cook food. That will be done by your mother or grandmother. So I have written 10 points what I can do. You also can write these points. Okay children, I am reading for you. I can hop, I can run, I can write, I can dance, I can read. Now what I cannot do, I am writing that I cannot swim, I cannot drive car, I cannot fly, I cannot draw, I cannot sing. So we will continue in our next session. Thank you children. Bye.